Hey, this is Harsh, and today in this video, I'm not just going to show you any sort of automation. I'm going to show you how you can basically create a design of any website or mobile application using this particular tool that will basically help you to create a design of your application or website without paying thousands of dollars to UI designers. And believe me, this tool can create a fantastic design for your next mobile applications or web application. And in this video, we are going to see how with the little very short prompt or a very short sentence, we can create an amazing design with this particular tool. So like without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So again, you might be thinking that, hey, this is the channel where I'm posting the content around automation. Then why suddenly the change in the content? So basically, it's not just about automation. It's also about how AI is evolving and how we can basically use different tools to maximize your productivity and minimize your cost, right? So that is why you will expect a lot of versatility in the content on this particular channel from now onwards. And I'm going to bring a lot of content around AI plus automation. Of course, automation is the core of this channel. So yeah, now let's get straight into this video. So basically, this is the tool from the Google called Stitch. So you just need to type Stitch on the Google itself, and then you can come up on this particular tool. Now, there are like two modes, standard mode and experimental mode. And by the way, this tool is completely free. So basically you don't need to pay anything to this particular tool because it comes directly from the Google. So you can use it for free. And over here, you can just choose standard mode. And now with this particular thing, you can easily create your own web application, web app design or mobile app design. So you can choose it from here. You can toggle between mobile and web. Let's say, for example, right now, if you need a mobile application, you can keep selecting that. And then now here you just need to basically type your prompt. So now let me show you with just 3 to 4 words. It can create an amazing design, right? So let's say music application. And now once you enter your prompt, just click on the generate, and now it will start its magic. So as you can see, it is basically in the backend. It actually thinks and see what are the pages that we need, and it will basically ask you, shall we proceed with designing this screen? So you can just look at the screens that are here, and then let's say, for example, if you want some changes into that, you can do that. So let me see. Yes, this screens are fine. However, I want to add a couple more. Sign up and sign in. And with just that, it will basically add those two screens that we have added just now, right? So basically, yeah. Okay, we'll add sign up and sign in screens to this the list. Here's the updated list of screens for your music application. So yeah, ready to generate this design? Yes. And once you give it a command, yes, it will then start creating those screens for you. And ultimately, once the screens are created, you can basically import that to your Figma file, and then you can then do some modification to those screens as per your brand guideline and all, right? But again, that too you can do it here. I'll show you how you can do that. So just wait for few seconds, and then we'll. So as you can see, now the screen creation is in process. So let's wait for a few more seconds. So as you can see, this is this is going to give you the feel of kind of Spotify, right? Because the look and the feel is similar to that because of the color and the font. So what you can do, basically, we can also change the entire theme of this particular for all of the screens, right? So now as you can see, this is the home screen. This is the search one. This is your library screen, just like in like Spotify. And then there's a few other screens like playlist. This is the echoes of the past, and this is the setting. I'm not sure like where is the sign up and sign in screen. Okay, I think it didn't create those screens, but yeah, fine. Now let's say, for example, if you want to change some sort of elements over here, you can again give it an instruction. But now let's also change the theme. So click on this edit theme button, and let's say, for example, if you want to choose, for example, red, and let's say apply this theme. So now it will then change its theme color from green to red. So yeah, I think this is really amazing tool that will basically help you to create this sort of a designs that you can that you need to pay to UI designer if you're going to hire them. And then believe me, it's not that cheap, right? So again, you can get all of this for free ultimately. So now as you can see, the theme has been changed to red from green, and now it looks also like it's look really decent. I'm like, I cannot say great, but again, considering that we have just given the 3 to 4 words of prompt, it has created a really good design out of that. And yeah, So now let's say, for example, if you want to copy this to Figma, just click on this copy to Figma and go to your Figma file and then just paste it over there. And you can easily then edit anything that you want in this particular screen. And yeah, also, let's say, for example, if you really want to, if you also like want to change the font of this, you can do that as well. So I think that's all about this particular tool. And I hope you like this video. You found this video really helpful and valuable. And if yes, like this video, share this video, and of course, subscribe this channel for more such videos around AI and automation. So I think thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.